Sorry, guys. The internet went off a bit. What's going on? So, guys, if this trade closes, I'm going to be entering this trade after this um candle closes. So I'm going to enter off the close. So guys, if you get a closure like this, price closing 2 minutes to the end of this candle, and what I simply want price to do is I'm anticipating price to go for longs now. So let me show you. Let me check the 1 hour first. Let me check the 30 minutes. This is a very risky one. A very risky one. Very risky one. Very risky, man. Like the momentum is very bearish, so I can't be looking for bullish momentum when the momentum is very bearish. But if you get the candle to close like this, I will with the small opportunities, I'll look to risk just a bit for a retest like this after the candle close for price to push upward. So this might be an opportunity for me, break above, understand? So let's see if that plays out. So I'll be able to jump into the trade. We have about 1 minute more. The channel is pushing bullish, so let me bring out my stuff, because I will likely give this trade an opportunity. I likely give this trade an opportunity. I actually give this trade an opportunity, but let's say I close, then I'll look to see if I can look to buy. Let's say I close, then I look to buy. But I need to close like a bit stronger. So, like I said, the overall bias is bullish, but we don't know if price has created this low yet. You understand? We don't know if price has created this like low, or even this candle might just be a retest for price to like price might want to just close bullish, then the next candle will close bearish below the structure for price to continue pushing downward. Like they are okay. I'm out. I'm not entering this. Hell no, I'm not entering this. So that's it. Let's wait. See, my playouts might actually come and retest, break the structure and push up. But on the 30 minutes now, 30 minutes is looking good for sales. But I don't want to sell off the 30 minutes. I prefer to sell off this 15 minutes time frame. So let's see how the 15 minutes close. But then again, if this price push downwards and break above this high, you might say it's right. But I'm not interested in buys no more. So I'm looking for the only thing that will make me look for buys if price creates a support level. Like I need to say support. This was a support that price was about to create, but failed to create a support. That's the reason why I jumped out of the trade and I was no longer interested in looking for buys. So let's see if price will create a level of support. Then if I can get that support level, then I can look to jump into the trade. So that's it. So that's it. Trying to chase trade or anything, but if this, I have other things I need to do. I have other things I need to catch up with. But we get what I needed, I'm going to share it to you guys. You're going to see what I'm looking for on gold. Like I'm going to put this on the group. So if you're not on the Telegram group, here's the link. Here's the link, and just jump on it. So this is GJ that I was talking about. So GJ might be the trade of the day if it flips bullish. So if you see a bullish flip on GJ, I think let's wait a bit. Let's see if this GJ will flip bullish, so you can look to place a trade. The structure is still 14p once more. So I'm going to enter it instead of the highs. I'm going to enter it off the flip. Once it flips, that's where I'm going to look to place the trade. So it's going to be around the located the bottom. That's good. So once you get to flip now, expect price to push. Okay, I don't usually send out GJ trades to the group. It's usually just gold trades I send. So if you're on stream with me, you can just be part of the trade and jump the trade with me. You guys. Network is messy, guys. Network is messy. Network is bad. Network is really bad. Network is really bad, guys. So I think I will end the stream here. Because okay, change about to activate me. Let's give it a second. It's about to activate me. Okay, I want to get activated on this trade. What's get activated? So let's see how it plays out. Not yet. I'm not activated yet, but almost. Okay, price just activated me, so I'm in now. So let's see how this plays out. I'm in now. I'm in now on this trade. So let's see how it plays out. I'm in on the trade, so let's see how it plays out. Let's see if we're going to get the bullish momentum for price push up. So I just got into a buy on GJ. So let's see, 8 more minutes. Let's see if we're going to get a push. Initially, the buyers like this, as soon as put this above the previous high, like this is where my buyer stop used to be, but based on the whole range, I rather catch this move than the other one. So that's what I prefer. So let's see how it plays out, guys. Mind you, let's check on gold. Okay, gold is breaking low, so 8 more minutes to that. Let's see if we'll probably get our first two trades on stream today. So let's see let's see how this plays out. I think I've only gotten two trades already before on stream. Let's see how this plays out. The reason why I don't really like trading GJ much, like I didn't even throw so much risks on it. So the reason why I don't like trading GJ much because it doesn't move unless it has. Again, today's bank holiday. So today's bank holiday. I might likely even get out of this trade right now on break even. But then again, it's looking like a good sell. But my spread happens to be not bad. My spread on GJ is actually good. Let's go, guys. So once we get so stop loss is around 10 pip. So once you get price breaking above this level, like from here, then we look to remove stop to break even. So that's it. And network is really bad, man. I'm looking at gold from my other charts, so we can't go to do anything nice. So I'll just be looking at it. Let me monitor it from the other side. From my other screen, let me monitor gold. You can see how this trade is doing struggling. So I'll think that by now probably it should move. It's taking its precious time. So what you're going to do, you just accept, okay, how am I going to manage this trade? Let me see in terms of management. Okay, all what's going to happen is that if this 15 minutes close and next 15 minutes starts, I think I'm going to move my stop loss to this 15 minutes close. So I'm going to reduce it from 10 pip. I'm going to reduce it from 10 pip to around 8 pip stop. So that's going to be what I'm going to do. But that's in terms of risk management. That's what I'm going to do if this 15 minutes candle ends. You guys, I can need that drive already. I need that drive. I need price to start actually moving upward. We're back in profit, guys. We have still ourselves a struggle of this drawdown move if we have placed our buy stop above this level. You get me? So can this be the move? Can this be the drive now? Gold close is still rejecting the level, so it closes below, like right, doesn't broken below the structure yet. So that's how gold closes. So I'm still waiting, guys. Okay, it's pushing now. So it has broken above the previous 15, which is good, for us, which is good. That's nice for us. So let's see if we can keep getting the push for price to keep pushing upward. Okay, let's see if we can because the only loss we have on stream is on GJ. So let's see if this one can, and it was a 7 pip surplus. So let's see if this trade can recover us from the GJ loss. Already on 4 pip. Let's move off a bit so I can this trade is taking longer than it should. So okay, I've gotten a break of the 30 minutes high. So I wasn't in 30 minutes high, so we don't expect this price to come back down. So I moved my stop to the previous low here, and that's 8 pip. That's it. So now the price has moved about 7 pip. Yeah, this is about 7 pip. About 6 pip. So one more push and we'll move our stop loss to break even. So this is my take profit level, first take profit level. So currently now I think I'm going to move my stop loss to this low of this candle. Yeah, so basically I'm on break even. This is basically a break even candle. This is basically a break even trade. So this is how you can see, guys, see where I'm managing this trade. This is basically a break-even trade now, so I don't expect this trade to come back down based on just broken this low. So if it comes back down and comes here, so be it. So if you want to give me profit, you should just keep pushing upward. That's what I want price to do. Like, if not rejecting, it's rejecting. Just keep pushing upward. So that's it. So I'm basically on break-even now, and let's see if price is going to push up. So let's monitor it on the 1 minute. So let's see how it's gonna play out. That was, oh wow, that was close. That's close. We might not survive, guys. We might not survive. We might not survive it. I don't survive. I might not survive it because gold is trying to push up now. So gold cannot be pushing up, and GJ is pushing up as well. So that's it. But only if price just move 10 people, that's all I need, man. That I need, guys. Okay, we're out. We're out, guys. We're out. We're out on B. Out on B. So, like I said gold is pushing up, and GJ can't be pushing up at the same time. So they both can't be pushing up at the same time. So that's just it. Anyways, that's fine. Okay with this trade well managed. But let's see. Let us see if the trade is still going to push back up later on, or going to come back down to the stop loss. So let's see. But trade well managed. This candle has broken above. Okay, that's nice. So this is going to be the 1 hour close. Okay, let's see that. Let's wait. So we might get 30 minutes closing above this level, which is going to be good for me. It's going to be good for me. And 15 minutes as well. So this is like the longest I've stayed on stream, because this is like part 2 of the first stream, because my network cut off. So let's see if this is going to play out, and we might just place our second trade and we'll call it off. We just call the stream off, and that'll be all. We'll call the stream off, and that'll be all. Did I move stop loss to break even too quick? Did I move my stop to break even too quick? Because this 55 minutes never had a low. Price just came down to create a low. I think I moved too. I think I moved it too early, too quick. This trade is actually gonna drive. Yeah, we're gonna drive. I'm on my stop. Well, I'm okay with that though. I'm okay with that. I moved my stop loss to break even too quick, but I'm okay with that. It's going to drive. It's going to hit this place. So it's going to hit that place. But that I said, I'm waiting for gold. Gold has 8 more minutes, and this is the longest I've been on stream. Usually, this is like the longest. Anyways, let's wait 8 more minutes. Hopefully, this trade, while I'm waiting 8 minutes, this trade doesn't push and leave us, because gold is staying on moving too quick and leaving us behind. So let us wait and see if we're gonna get what we need, so we can continue with the bullish move. And my network is messy today. It's really bad. So I shouldn't even be trading with a bad network. You understand? It's just I'm using my phone to monitor some other. Everything is just wrong about today. So see what I see. Yes, connect. Okay, it's pushing. It's breaking above the 30 minutes. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. No, I was avoiding. I actually wanted to play. I actually wanted to enter this trade from here. No, I was avoiding. Like, this was I was avoiding. I legitimately wanted to enter this trade from here. Reason that this candle never broke this candle high. This candle never broke this candle high. and this multiple rejection of this level, and this candle broke this candle. This was where I started the trade from. This is where I was looking to get in from, and stop loss below here, and I'm most likely looking to close some positions. But anyways, price can see rejects. You see, we have 6 more minutes, so let's wait 6 more minutes to see how the whole candle close. Then we'll know what we're going to do. It's looking like a proper fake out. So now let me take this one out, and I'll be back, guys. I'll be back. Give me some minutes. I'll be back when it's exact 5 minutes. Okay, like a few more seconds on the block, and this is what I want Go to do. It's playing out the way I want, exactly the way I want it to play out. So all we need now is a pullback, a small pullback, and we look to sell it. Look to buy, sorry. So I need price to just pull back a bit. I need this candle to pull back a bit, then you can buy it like this. Like I have to see that pullback. This is a new hourly candle, so I need to see that pullback. I need to see that pullback is a must. I have to see that pullback. If I don't get the pullback, then at least small pullback. If I don't get the pullback, then I'll probably look to buy off this high. But then I'm going to have like the current candle stop. I'm going to have like current candle stop, which has no top, it has no bottom. This is risky. This is a risky trade, man. This is a very risky trade. Should I be doing this on a Monday morning? Should I be doing this on a Monday morning, guys? Should I be doing this on a Monday morning? Okay, I'm in, guys. I'm in. Me, guys. I'm looking to manage this trade very aggressively, like very aggressively, guys. Very aggressively. That I'm looking to manage this trade. So that's why I had like a 20 pips stop loss. So I feel. At least price should get to this level. Before price should get to this level, at least 40 pips. Man, I thought it's supposed to be volume now. This price should have moved, like moved, man. And this trade, risk small. I risk small this trade though. It's like low risks. Not risking too much. Where did my network go? Down. Network is terrible, guys. Network is terrible. Ah, and bad network shows bad trades. I don't like the way gold is doing. It should be volume. Like it should be volume for price to already put. I entered it based on volume time. The 15 minutes match, the 30 minutes, everything. There should be volume to push price upwards. So, and this is the last 15. This is the last 4 hours. I don't want to have a big stop loss like this. I don't want to have a 50 big stop loss on a Monday. So I like the way I like this. I like, even though I know that price will likely stop loss, like stop loss out and keep on pushing upward. I'm okay with it. I'm okay with the way the price is. Like I'm okay with my entries because I entered off the 1 hour break of structure, like price breaking the 1 hour high. So I anticipate a volume to keep pushing. But it's exactly it's my okay. Oh, what? This is 9 o'clock already. This is an hour after London section, so this might not be volume like London section, but it's all good. This is like the longest I've been on the stream. I've been streaming close to 2 hours. The first stream and this other stream. So I've been streaming for a while now. So let's see. We're back to entry. So if you're not okay with the trade, you can jump out of the trade. Yes, if you're not okay with it, you can jump out. Price go back to our entry, but if you're not okay, you can decide to leave the trade. Okay, I think price has created a bottom. Okay, we're out. We're out, guys, and we're out. So let's me break down this trade quickly. So I'll show you guys what I'm looking for. The trade might actually simply out, and I risk small on this trade, and I might give my trade a second chance, or I might not because it's Monday. So you can't be looking to jump into trades. Let me update the group first, then I'll click that. That's how it is, guys. This is my play out. It's a very good trade. It's a very good trade. It's a fake out trade. I'm expecting a fake out. For sale on still, it might also be a breaker in terms of higher time frame. But I'm anticipating a bullish move. You understand? Like I said, I might actually give it a second chance if price starts pushing back upwards. So I might actually give it a second chance if price starts pushing back upwards on the gold. But I think by then we should be already done with the stream. Like already done with the stream. I'm about to round up the stream. So let me give you the breakdown. So you can see from the whole 30 minutes and 1 hour, price has been pushing down. We are having a lot of bearish momentum. You can see bearish momentum, price moving downwards, and price got to this area. If you watch my first stream before it cut, I talked about this area, like this is a strong area. This is the exact area price drove from last week. You can see this is the level price created, and you can see the drive price did. So I spoke about this area last week, and I'm anticipating price to do something similar when it gets to this level. So I'm looking for a possible opportunity to sell price from this low, because that was my 15 minutes low, and price started rejecting of this level. And I said that the main entry, my entry would have been from this level, which price has already moved about 40 pip. My stop loss would have been below here, or no, below the structure, so 30 pip, and I would have actually been in and out of this trade. But I was waiting for the 15-minute closure. I wanted 15 minutes to close so I can anticipate buying the market and closing, just buying the market. That was what I was anticipating. So the only mistake I placed on this trade is that I never waited for the 15 minutes to create a bottom wick. I always talk about price creating bottom wick. So the only mistake I made of this trade is that I should have waited for the 15 minutes to create a bottom wick, which should have given me a higher possibility of the trade going my way. So the trade went from a 70% win rate to around, the trade went from around 70% win rate to around 50%, like 50%. The moment I placed the trade buy, without waiting for without waiting for the bottom wick. So I was anticipating volume, like I wasn't expecting volume to just likely just push the trade upward. You understand? Price moved about 6 pip on my entry, but I yeah, but so assuming I got 10, I would have moved myself to break even. So this trade would have been a break even trade, but I couldn't manage it that way, and price came down to hit us out. So that's it for the trade. And like I said, the trade was well managed. I like the way the whole thing plays out. So um just that I messed up with the whole no waiting for price. Like the bottom week was just a negative thing about this trade. But it's okay. I'm okay with that. The week this is just Monday. We took just a 19 pip stop loss, 19 pip L. So definitely there are more rooms for us to make more money this week. So I think that'll be all for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow same time tomorrow. Like I said, today is like the longest stream, man. I'm tired already. I have some other things to do. I have some content to create and some other things to I need to update. So see you guys tomorrow. 7:30 is the time, and normally usually 7:30 to 8:30, but I've been here till like 9 o'clock. So see you guys tomorrow same time. Um, bye. Please don't go around placing trades. Try to recover your loss. If you have taken an L, that's it. You don't need to chase trade. So you get me. So that's it. So that's it, guys. See you guys.